Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce you about screen components. What is screen components? Screen components allows users to customize the new screen layout to fit their own trading styles. Screen components can be opened by clicking the Add button on the top tab bar, right at the top of the program windows. You will see various useful functions for users to use. These functions can help you create the trading interface that makes you feel most comfortable. There are Chart, Market Watch, My List, Condition Filter, Daily, Depth, Details, Order, Thunder Trade, History, Trade, and Calendar. Moreover, there is a short hint at the button of each function to show you what the function is used for. Let's take a look detail on each function. Chart. This part is the core function of the EzQT system. Users can use chart to analyze and make market entry decision. With chart function, you can see the market fluctuation price in real time. Moreover, from the above button, you can also switch the symbols, the time frames, start the automatic trading, switch account, make market orders and checking on your current open positions. On the left side button, you can change the chart setting, view the backtest report, adjust the backtest setting and use the drawing line, etc. Market Watch. User can observe many quotation prices of the symbols such as the bid price, ask price, spread, price changed in one day, etc. From the button above, user can filter their favorite symbols from the list down selection such as trading types, symbol securities, and symbol types. My List. Users can collect all their favorite trading symbols and group it into separated section. It also displays all your current trading positions and each of your collection favorite symbols group. Moreover, with the right-click function on the symbol, you will see more functions listed. In order to understand detail about these functions, you can check on the Market Watch video. Condition Filter is one of a powerful function in EzQT which let you filter market products based on your condition. It can save you a lot of time when you're looking for the right products to trade. We recommend you watching the introduction video about the condition filter for more detailed information. Daily is a fixed daily timeframe screen which show user a daily graph of the specific symbol. It is very useful for users to observe the daily bias graph of the symbol before analyzing the standard chart. Depth will display the bid and ask price for a specific instrument in a multi-layer manner that is closest to the market's current best price. You can also see the volume fluctuation orders of the bid and ask price below here and the display of each tick repeatedly listed down each second. Details is similar to the depth function, but it is more focused on the tick chart of the current symbol. You can customize the details setting by clicking the setting button above. Order is the function which users can use to enter the market. With this function, user can select the entry type, volume counted as lot size, the filling type and set up the risk management by placing stop loss and take profit target at any wanted prices. You can click on button sell or buy in order to execute trade. Thunder Trade is a quick and easy function for user to open the trading windows. It could help a lot for user to a quick entry and exit the market. We will introduce more detail about the function in the Thunder Trade introduction video. History will provides a comprehensive record of all trading activities associated with an account. This detailed history helps traders review past performance, analyze strategies, and make informed decisions for future trades. Trade. This function could help users check all of their holding positions. It contains all your account information such as balance, equity, margin, free margin, margin level, and profit. Calendar is the schedule's dates of significant news releases or events that may affect the movement of currency exchange rates and the financial market. The built-in calendar in EzQT system takes reference from website investing.com. This could help preventing traders from an unnecessary loss caused by the news. Additional way to create a new screen components layout, you can click on the Add button at the bottom left corner. You can switch from each tab by selecting from this 3 bars symbol. Moreover, if you don't like to display the bottom bar, you can use the pin and unpin button to hide or unhide it. Finally, let's take a look on how to customize with each component we've been described. With this example, we will try to customize the screen the same as the home screen for you to see. First, we need to click on the Add button. Then choose any wanted components. After that, we can drag the edge of the screen to split. Each of the split screen can be used to various components. Now, you can customize to your preferable setup. You can save this screen layout to use it later, by clicking on the Save button above, then name it, and finally click on the Save button to save. Alright, after watching the demonstration, we hope you understand better. Thank you for watching patiently.